Hi everyone! So if you are interested in starting your own business and wonder how you can do it if you actually have a retail space using Shopify, I am here to show you exactly how I do that. So welcome over to my channel. My name is Sandra Faustina and I'm an entrepreneur based in Singapore. So right now, today, what I'm going to show you is how I actually tag my retail products. So if you don't already know, I have a shophouse space over here in Singapore, and what platform I use for my businesses is actually Shopify, and I love Shopify. Like, if that's not something that you have heard of before, you can check it out. And definitely that's something that I love using because it does all of my stock taking for me and stuff like that. So yep. Essentially what I do is I actually go ahead to tag the different products that we have. If you have not seen my business is freemovementsg.com. It's Free Movement Solutions. It's my brand name. And I also have my other brand, which is Free Movement Sewing, amongst the others. And essentially we have some products that we sell which are mostly dance related, and over here we have our heel protectors which are more or less used for dance. So I tag them using a QR code because I'm creating a self-service retail space, and right now this is just me setting up the whole area. So if you can actually see, the reason why I actually wanted QR codes because I wanted it to be pretty much self-service. We have lots of different products. Not everything in our retail space is actually on our website and vice versa. So I always tell my customers, like, okay, if you want to see the full range, defo go on our website. So that's kind of how I do it. I have the free movement tags all printed, and each single product is actually tagged, and it has a QR code there. So if anyone comes in and wants to buy something, okay, just need to scan a QR code and then make payment online and bring it home. So that's how simple it is, and these QR codes are automatically generated by Shopify itself, so it links directly to the product store, which is what I love. I'm going to show you that later at the end of the video, so please tune in all the way, okay? Alright, so over here, this is a product page. So if it's your first time seeing Shopify, this is the product page. Alright, so what you need to do is you actually need to download the app called Shopcode and then go ahead to create a new QR code for every single product. And then I chose link to product page because I want everyone to be able to see the details of the products. So that's what I do. And then download it in PNG for web use so that everyone can use their cell phones and mobile phones and iPads and whatnot to scan the QR codes. So yeah, once I've downloaded this QR code, I actually print this out and I put it on each and every product. Now let me know if you have any questions below, okay? Drop it down in the comments. Definitely here to support you in your entrepreneur journey, your small business journey. And definitely see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya. Bye!